Hey, welcome back to Ramseyland. In this edition, my friend Rick Crosslin is going to use a blue laser to deflagrate nitrocellulose. Check this out. Okay, Rick's going to deflagrate nitrocellulose on his hand.
That's what you call hands-on science. Let's see if I trust this guy, which I don't.
No, don't. Oh! Let me see your hand. Let me see. Oh, it's still there.
So, I like all things science, especially when I hit a snag, I go to my friend, Mr. Keith Ramsey, and because between the two of us, we have a pretty good understanding of science. And I told him I had, some flash paper I got from a magic store a long time ago, and some flash cotton to do all kind of cool things. And he said, well, Rick, why don't you just make your own? I never thought about making my own. So I have some store-bought flash paper, black and white. Well, maybe we talk about that. But he went ahead and made some nitrocellulose. Cool. Any word you have to say nitro, I love. And so this is his homemade version of this, gun cotton or flash cotton. And you can probably watch one of his videos to see how to make it. One way to ignite it is with a lighter, a little flame. Let's see, open hand. Hope I trust.
Let me try the lights.
What he made. And let's turn off the lights and see. I can't believe I'm trusting Keith Ramsey for this, but let's see what happens. Here we go. Whoa! That was intense. In fact, it was so intense. No burns, Keith. Close. No burns. Doing it by my wedding ring, gold, which conducts heat. You hear the maniacal laughter in the back. Okay, fine. Anybody can do that maybe, but let's do a little test. Here is a piece of store-bought, and what I know about flame going up, we'll see if the flame should go up. Let's see what happens here. Are we all ready?
Yes.
Oh,
yes.
That was cool. The only difference is I know white reflects and black absorbs, so I have a very powerful laser right here. Laser I'm not going to look into, but I'll put it down, and it's a blue laser. And I'm going to see if I can ignite this with this strong laser. Let's see what happens here. Wow, it's really reflective, and I'm not getting it. Maybe the store-bought. Let's try his homemade version and see what happens. Here we go, and right on the edge, absorbing, and it's a strong laser. Maybe not what I had in mind. Let's do double lasers right on the edge. I know it's getting hot because I can only run this laser for a few minutes, according to the manufacturer. Whoa! Lights on, please. So, now that's cool. As if by magic. No, science. But I'll tell you, let's try a little experiment. I think it'll be even quicker with black, because black absorbs faster. Maybe we can get that to go. Look at that.
Yeah.
Just by being a different color.
Yep.
Just by being a different color. Okay, so we got kind of interesting. We got a white balloon, but we have a black piece of flash paper, and we hope we can ignite that and pop the balloon. Let's see what happens here. And there's also
Fire!
I would say success. Okay, so a lot of times you hear about these explosions in corn grains or wheat grains, and you wonder, how could something like corn just spontaneously explode? Well, it's because if it gets dry enough, where they reduce the humidity, each one of those small particles has the ability to mix with the oxygen around it, and you have two of the three things for a fire. You have oxygen, fuel, and a little bit of heat on a hot summer day, or a spark, and you can have a big, big flame. So I don't have corn dust, but I have custard, powdered custard. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. First time. Exhale, don't inhale.
Oh, yes.
Wow.
That works just fine. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of Ramseyland, and I'll see you next time.